Every strawberry milkshake begins with two natural sources: fresh milk and ripe fruit.
Quality milk starts on well-managed dairy farms, where cows are carefully cared for.
Modern dairy farms focus on cleanliness, comfort, and consistency.
Milk is collected using automated systems designed for safety and hygiene.
Quality milk starts on well-managed dairy farms, where cows are carefully cared for.
Fresh milk is immediately cooled to preserve quality.
Meanwhile, strawberries are grown in carefully tended fields.
Only ripe, high-quality strawberries are selected for milkshakes.
The milk is transported quickly to processing facilities. The fruit is washed and sorted before processing.
Milk and strawberry puree are carefully blended to create the milkshake base.
At this stage, the strawberry milkshake begins to take its familiar form.
Pasteurization ensures the milkshake is safe while preserving flavor.
After heating, the mixture is cooled to maintain freshness.
After heating, the mixture is cooled to maintain freshness.
Each batch is tested to meet strict quality standards.
Homogenization creates the creamy consistency consumers expect.
Labels provide product information and branding. Automated inspection ensures quality control. Finished bottles are prepared for distribution. Each bottle is sealed to protect freshness.
Now ready, the milkshake awaits delivery.
Inside refrigerated warehouses, finished products are organized for delivery.
Cold chain logistics keep the milkshake fresh during transport. The milkshake travels from factory to markets nationwide.
Distribution centers help ensure fast and reliable supply.
From distribution hubs, the product reaches store shelves. A smooth blend of milk and fruit, perfected through careful processing. From field to glass, every stage plays a vital role.
The journey begins and ends with nature.
Fresh ingredients, careful processing, a refreshing result.